Meta announced an early beta of Muse Code, a new coding agent meant to compete with Anthropic's Claude Code and OpenAI's Codex. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The new terminal-based coding tool is powered by the Muse Spark 1.2, a new version of Meta's AI model which offers improvements in code generation, complex debugging, code-based understanding, and end-to-end developer workflows. Like its competition, Muse Code can handle software engineering tasks like writing code, planning changes, and validating results, making it possible to build working software with text prompts. It can also manage multiple sub-agents and delegate tasks to complete work more efficiently. Meta's announcement includes sample projects like an interactive model of a photon sphere and a Plants vs. Zombies knockoff, and a demo video of the tool building a web page based on an MP4 file. Meta is using affordability as a way to differentiate Muse Code from its competitors. The company says the tool uses the same pay-as-you-go pricing as Muse Spark by default, $1.25 per $1 million input tokens and $4.25 per million output tokens. Meta's chief AI officer Alexander Wang said the company would also offer a contributor tier that gets you in at a significantly lower cost. And that tier would require users to agree to provide feedback to improve the coding agent. It'll be cheaper than Anthropic's Sonnet 5 model, which typically costs $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. If Muse Code works well, the price difference could lead companies to choose Meta over its competitors. And the same logic has already proven effective for Chinese AI companies, as multiple companies switch to Chinese models like DeepSeek to avoid the growing cost of using US AI tools. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.